Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then log in. Make sure you have the AP model, default admin user, and whether it uses DHCP or static addressing. Connect your laptop to the same network. Ethernet is preferred for stability. If no DHCP, set a compatible static IP like 192.168.1.50/24. Once done, open a browser, enter the AP IP or hostname, and expect an admin login prompt. This immediate setup avoids later access roadblocks and gets you straight to configure. Once logged in, choose the interface you prefer: GUI for visual clarity or SSH for faster, scripted edits. Navigate to Network to confirm IP, gateway, and DNS. Then visit Wireless to set SSID, channel, and power. Go to Security to configure WPA2/WPA3, Radius, or ACL. Make incremental changes and use Save or Apply. Many APs require a separate commit or reboot to persist settings. This staged approach prevents accidental lockouts and makes it easier to finish by verifying that clients can associate, obtain IPs, and reach the gateway and internet. Test DNS resolution too. Save a configuration backup and record the firmware version so you can reproduce the setup later or update firmware if needed for fixes. If you lose access, try the serial/console connection before a factory reset. A reset clears custom settings and should be used only as a last resort. Keeping a local backup and console access prevents most recovery headaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.